But it really pulls well even though it's in comfort mode, just like today I'm taking the S4 out for a drive, POV style. So come with me and let's enjoy together. I just hope that AC wind is not coming through on the camera. The only noise I want you guys to hear is the supercharger and the engine and the exhaust. The view that I always have every time I get into this car. Love it. Love the view, love the power, love the drive. So let's go in. The important thing to mention is that the S4 is still stock engine wise, so there is no power mods or anything like that. So this is raw power as it came out of factory, no modifications whatsoever. So this is going to be interesting. But the power though, that is nice. The pull, the supercharger whine, the exhaust sound, everything just works. I love this car. I love how it performs. I think just a few things that I'll share with you is that this car has come a long way from a cosmetic mods perspective, but performance, nothing has been done. The S4 performs really well as is. The stock power on this car is quite interesting. It's amazing, if I have to say so myself. It drives really nice. It drives really well, no issues whatsoever. And this was the young pool, just, well, from there up to here. It really pulls well. I love how the power is always available throughout the revs. You don't have to shift down or anything like that. I love to drive this car in comfort mode. Now and then I would put it into sports, but generally I always drive it in comfort mode. But it really pulls well even though it's in comfort mode, just like it's really nice. It pulls really hard, even though it's in drive or comfort mode. It doesn't feel like it's lacking any power at all, which is what I love. The S4, the power is always available whenever you need it, on tap every single time. You don't have to change down, you don't have to do anything. Put your foot down, it responds. It's a pity that the 2010 model didn't have, well, mine specifically doesn't have a proper launch control. Or as the gearbox ages, it loses the ability to do launch control. I'm not really sure, but currently it doesn't really launch. I tried it. When I launch it, it just bogs down and then nothing happens. So I just drive it as is. Like for example, a young pool here. This thing goes. I love the supercharger whine. I love the exhaust sound. I just love how it performs. Really, it's a nice car to drive. I really love it. Okay, let's turn in here. The exhaust is still stock. Nothing really has been done from a modification perspective. I only have test pipes or downpipes. Test pipes if you're American, but downpipes as I call them here in South Africa. And that's it. Pretty much stock from there. So nothing has been done. So that's something that maybe in the future I might need to look into. But the sound is not too bad. that's that's a rush. Just that's crazy. No, but that is fun. That's that's the power of the supercharger. Love the sound, love the supercharger whine, love the exhaust, love the engine. Everything about this car is just awesome. It's phenomenal. And all of that is happening in comfort mode. I haven't even gone to sport yet, so everything is in comfort mode. On a Saturday or Sunday, you just want to take it out for a drive and just get on the highway or get on the back roads and just send it. The joy that it brings. As much as mine is not tuned yet, performance-wise, it's still fun to drive. I really enjoy the supercharger whine. I really enjoy the exhaust sound, the engine sound. As it is, it's a fun car to drive. It's really enjoyable. Hope you guys are enjoying this POV drive, just so that you get to experience what I'm experiencing in the S4 every day or every time I drive this car. Just gonna get on the highway and cruise, speed limit 120 k's an hour, and yeah, just get to enjoy the drive. On the highway, the S4 is really quiet. You can't tell that it has a loud supercharger and a very loud exhaust. When you're cruising, it's really quiet. I mean, as you can hear now, it's just quiet. It's just wind noise around, but it's entire noise, and there's nothing more than that. But as soon as you put your foot down, then it opens up. Then you can really hear the power that this car has. I hope you guys can hear the supercharger whine in the background. It sounds so nice. That is fun. It sounds so nice. I think the S4 is the most fun car ever, to be honest. Because of that supercharger, you put your foot down, then it responds. There's no turbo lag, there's nothing like that. It just goes. And I think that's what makes it so much fun. Okay, so let's try and launch it. Just want to show you that the launch control doesn't work on this car. Alright, so traction control off, gearbox in sport, and then foot on the brake, foot on accelerator. Yeah, it just bogs down and then nothing happens. Okay, you guys saw that, right? I don't know why this person was just coming into my lane. That was very weird. I got a mini heart attack there. Are you ready for some flybys with the S4? Because I'm going to blast it down the road and up the road just to see what it can do in its Stock 4. Behind me is a long stretch of road, and I'm going to use that to test the limits. Well, not the limits per se of the S4, but I'm just going to push it a little bit, stretch its legs. I mean, it's been parked for a while, so I thought I'll just take it out and just dust it off a little bit and see what it can do. The nice thing is that I've chosen a very empty location. As you can see, there are no cars behind me, there are no cars coming this side as well, so it's a very safe environment, and I'm hoping that it's going to stay that way. Putting it in sports. I'm not launching. This thing can go to another pool. It really goes. I've never done this before. Please comment down below, let me know what you think of this style videos, if it's something that you'd like to see in the future. The idea was just to test to see if the S4 is still 100% in its stock form. This was fun. I really enjoyed it. I had a blast. The S4 is a fun car to drive. The supercharger whine is just addictive, as well as the exhaust. It sounds really nice. But let me know, comment down below your thoughts on this video, your thoughts on the S4 so far as it is. What do you guys think? And there you have it, my 2010 Audi S4 V8 still lives. It can stretch its legs, which is not bad. I'm really excited at this point. With all that being said, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also click on that bell to be notified as soon as a new video gets uploaded. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.